Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you this super editing techniques for your TikTok videos that you can be done in CapCut. So here what you need to do is just prepare your clips and also an image as the background, or you can also use a video as the background. Now click on the video with the object or the person on it and set it as overlay and adjust the duration of the background to match with the videos. And after that, click on the overlay and remove the background. So go to cutout, click on remove background and wait for the background to successfully remove like this. After the background is removed, click on the cutout stroke and here choose the one you like. So I'm going to use the solid color here and adjust it to your liking. Then you can just go back and then click on the check icon, and after that add 2 keyframes at the start of the overlay like this. And now on the second keyframes, move the object down like this, and then don't forget to add grabs. So click on grabs and select the ease out 3. Okay, and after that you need to add 2 keyframes at the end of the clip like on the first one, and then at the last keyframe move the object back up. Okay, now you can also add grabs, and after that you need to add effect, video effects. So go to video effect and click on the retro, and for the first effect use the black noise effect, this one. Click on the check icon, adjust it to all of the clips, and now add the second effect. So for the second effect, still on the retro category, choose this effect, this Praha effect. Click on that. You can adjust it to your liking, and then you are done. So this will be the final result. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.